Hello, hello everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and I've got a final review on this gorgeous project, the Train Case and TriFolio combo. Let's get right into it. All right, so here it is. I showed you guys the train case, which is absolutely darling. Look at that. You can fit two of the trifolios in here for lots and lots of photos. This project also comes with, let me show you. And put the dividers in between so you can make a note of what is in here. All right. And you'll see what smaller project you can put in here. All right. So let's look at the trifolio. So it's a fantastic size just if you wanted to make the trifolio alone. However, this is, I know I say this, but when I say it, I mean it. This is very easy to make, and we cannot make it any easier for you. Let me show you why.
So here we are in the shop, and we have so many things available to make these projects easier to make. Here we have pre-cut shape where Jane cuts the paper phenomenon chipboard to size for you, including the cut line, the score lines, excuse me. She has the tabs and each of the chipboard pieces that requires a score line in it, the score lines are made for you. So you get everything in the fantastic paper phenomenon chipboard weight. So it cannot get any better than that, guys. Mailed to your door. There's also various options here like the hardware, the paper collections, uh, and all sorts of things that are normally on sale when I'm working on a brand new project. So if you see me mention a project in a particular video, everything is on sale.
So quick measurement on the trifolio, roughly 5.5 by little slightly over 7.5 or under 7.5. And it's called trifolio because there's three sections. And yes, these are in the shop, guys. You can get these charms in my shop. So there's three sections, really four, if you look at that front cover. So we did a lot of fun things in this album. So much matting inspiration. Look at how cute this embellishment kind of looking like 3D there in the spine. Just really adorable. So I'm just going to take it from the top for you guys so you can see. So when you open it up, you get, this is magnetized, and of course you can get magnets in my shop. Again, the Fall Days collection. Here, this is for a photo. I wouldn't do that one right here. Not good. You can even tuck a photo right here, which would be so cute. Just a little photo right there. And then you have this. This right here is a paper bead, and I made these myself. This is also in the shop and on sale, by the way. If I'm talking about anything that you see here, it's always on sale in my shop. So if you're interested in making paper beads, I highly recommend it. It's super fun and so addicting. If you've made my paper beads in the past, leave me a comment down below and let me know if you, how much or how little did you enjoy the process. I don't think there's anyone who's going to say they hated it because it is addicting. And this charm in particular is made out of wood. It's beautifully painted. The details are incredible, and it's really so perfect for this project. So photo mats, and photo mats. I left these blank because you've got to be careful with the the space in here, right? If you put the white in everything, you may not be able to fit photos, all of the photos that you want to fit. So you have to be careful about this white piece. I also talk about how to attach the white piece if you want to remove it and then replace it with a photo. So you'll see some blank areas so that I can accommodate for photos. So magnet right there. This another fun little leaf charm that you can find in my shop. Here's this envelope for 4x6 photos. All right, how fun to pull a photo out in this type of format. I mean, you can't ever go wrong with an envelope. I love an envelope. I know you guys do too. So I try to include an envelope in almost all of my projects because, again, they're so much fun. But, we got to switch it up, right? We must switch it up. This opens up to the left. We've got this spot for a photo mat. This spot is for a photo right here. I made these with my punch board, and you'll see that in the video right here. So you get a little tab there. Then this opens up for another photo opportunity. And I cut this one too short, so don't judge me, guys. Don't. And I can't get it out. Oh, there we go. And this one for another photo. I used a Heidi Swap stamp for this, and I show you guys which stamps I use in the project folder. And so look at that, how fun. Two acetate window pockets that open up in this cascading format. Super cute with the embellishments and the tabs on the side. How cute is this little ensemble here? I just love it. Then we have another leaf. Of course, you don't have to put all of these leaves on, but I thought it was so super cute to do it. Then we have this pocket style for some more photos. If you have a lot of photos, my recommendation, there's a belly band back here for more photos. My recommendation is if you have the photos, what you do is you put all your photos down where you want everything, every square inch that you possibly can, a photo. And then you fill in the blanks with pattern paper, okay? You fill in the blanks with pattern paper. And I have a video coming up on showing you that process exactly. All right, so stay tuned for that. And again, this is a belly band pocket right here for some fun photos. I hate when I don't put a white piece of paper on the front. Then this closes up and it opens up like so for the TriFolio effect. And then we have this cutie patootie. So I did the mirror image on here because I thought it would be a nice idea to jot down a date or a little note of some sort right here in this little area right here. So it's meant to be interactive, just to kind of float there. Just really cute. Look at how that looks right there. How fun is that 3D embellishment there? I just love it. Love, love, love it. And I showed you this. So now this opens up like so for 4x6 photo. We've got some undercut pockets here for 4x6 photos. Well, I did mine shorter. You can absolutely do a 4x6 photo and it will stick out like that of your book. So that's entirely up to you. Spot for a photo, for photos, and then this fun little window here. Yes, there's acetate there. I use the 0.007 acetate that you can find that in my shop. Magnets, acetate, chipboard, cardstock, all in the shop, guys. This particular paper collection is digital. I do not have this one printed, but I have many, many other paper collections printed available in the shop. Look at how beautiful that is. Did I open this up? I did open that up. And belly band there. I just love this. Love, love, love this. And I love that you can just scoot it out of the way. And then you move on to this section. I didn't glue this section down because it's a double-sided acetate window. And you need to put the photos in there before you glue it down. Otherwise, it's not going to work. If I glue it down now, there's no way you can get the photo in there. I would only be able to glue it right here. Not glue it down or glue it into place. I would only be able to do it here and it would still be this. So I just paper clipped it. So it's space for acetate and photo front and back, and it's also magnetized for the closure. And how cute is that kind of picture in picture look right there? I just love it. So a little closure there. And then we have several photo mats right here. And then again, the photo mat slash belly band combo, which I love to do quite often. Room for a 5x7 photo with a slit. Why am I leaving my ink open like that? Then you can choose to do a variation of different photo sizes, which I say yes, yes, and yes. Do not miss out on that opportunity for different photo sizes. It just adds to the fun of the project. And then you have this large pocket in the back for some more 4x6 photos. And I love these pockets, free these opportunity pockets, right? Because you can do portrait or landscape, right? Because you can do it this way, put them all in there, and you take the photo out and you can turn it to the proper orientation for viewing. So you're not limited to your photo, to the orientation of the photo with this pocket. You can use either or, which is perfection in my opinion. And that closes up like so. Did I go all the way to the back here I did not. Look at that. There's more back here, guys. So a little tag for a photo and this embellishment. This same photo opportunity back here, right here for this, and photo here as well. So photo flaps, like I like to call them. And here, and then you have that same pocket back here for, again, landscape or portrait photos. Tell me, please tell me in the comments down below, how perfect is this little TriFolio? And if you find this to be annoying, don't put it there, right? I just did it for some fun and added detail. You do have to be careful with the size of embellishment that you put here, because you want to make sure that it's not too bulky, because then your album will not close properly. I go over all of those details also in the project folder. So take advantage of all of the information in your project folder so that you can make a beautiful, beautiful project. I go through the process of matting step by step by step, the entire process on how to mat this project, the good, the bad, the ugly, everything is in there. You can also combine projects. If you have my inserts, I have 5,000 inserts. You can put one of these in here and an insert. You can put one of these in here and just loose photo mats. Remember, there's dividers. So you can put a divider in here with some photo mats. Everything doesn't have to be a book, guys. So you can do whatever you want with this. All right. So think about it. Look at how beautiful this is. Think about how you want to display your photos, and that's it. It's that simple. You get some chipboard, some P3 tape, and you are good to go. You turn on the video, you get a beverage, and you get to crafting. And you will finish with this. And I cannot tell you how rewarding it is to make something like this with your own hands. I do have hardware kits in the shop right here. Let me show you that very quickly. Right here in the shop, here are the hardware kits. You get the closure and the D-rings to make the Craft Text handle. All right, so this is exactly what you get in the kit, and you also get, which is not pictured in this project, in this photo. Let me get the little brads. So you get the D-rings, these gold brads, and the hardware and brads for this hardware right here. All right, so this particular handle is made out of craft text. In this project line, in the Journey project line, there are 3 different cases. All right, there's the train case, there's the suitcase that we're currently working on right here. As you can see, I still haven't finished matting. There's also chipboard pieces for this. And there's one more case that I will share with you here shortly. So look out for that. And each of the cases has its own book. All right, so this one has a TriFolio. The suitcase has a gorgeous, gorgeous album that we are still working on, and I'll give you a little sneaky peek of that. So this album goes into the suitcase, and then the final case is all I'm saying will be coming here shortly for you to see, and everything will match the hardware. I'll show you handle options because with this case, I have a kit and it comes with this gorgeous leather handle that you see right here and the hardware. So you can find that also in the shop. And by the way, this paper collection is Savannah Wild Kingdom, if you're interested in this paper collection. So lots and lots of things happening here at Paper Phenomenon. So I hope you enjoyed this final review because it is so, so gorgeous. What do you think about the house here on the cover of the suitcase? Then a little peek inside the house here on the side panel. I just love how this paper kind of just tells the story of what to expect inside of this little train case. So let me know your thoughts. So many things floating around in this noodle. I'd love to know what you are thinking. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time, bye bye.